Hi everyone, I'm recording this video because I have nothing better to do, and I promised something on my comment section to some people, so I guess I'm going to record this video. Room setup, room tour, very cool. Sorry for the bad quality. I don't have a secondary camera on my recording device. Okay. So this is my main machine. It's a MacBook Air with the good quality M1 chip. And there is my secondary screen as an iPad. We got some phone. That's Android. So we got mouse here, very cool. My microphone. That's on YouTube. We got some light. People need lights to be. We got some I like boxes. I like to collect them. We got some we got some here also. Oh my god! Oh Jesus Christ! We got some, yeah. All right.